This iPhone automation might actually save your life and almost nobody knows about it. It automatically turns on Bluetooth the moment you start driving, so you never have to touch your iPhone on the road. If your Bluetooth is off, you can't use your car's hands-free system. And most people end up grabbing their phone to answer a call, which is extremely dangerous. This automation fixes that. Open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone, tap Automation at the bottom. Now tap the plus icon in the top right to create a new automation. Scroll down and select Driving. Make sure it's set to when driving is turned on, and tap on Run immediately. Make sure it is on. Now tap Next. Tap the new blank automation or create new shortcut. In the search bar, search for Set Bluetooth. Tap it, set Bluetooth to turn on. Now tap Done. From now on, every time you get in your car and start driving, your iPhone automatically turns Bluetooth on instantly because it gets into the, we can say, driving mode. Your phone connects to your car, you can use hands-free calls, and you never have to touch your device while driving. This tiny automation makes driving safer and more convenient, and honestly, everyone should have it enabled. If you found this helpful, like the video and follow for more iPhone tips that actually make your life easier.